In front of me is nothing foam-free, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!